Now, mint, if you think about when you eat mint or you drink mint, it's quite cooling. So it's wonderfully expansive. When you drink mint, you can feel everything kind of opening, or if you sniff mint, you can kind of feel all of the vapors expanding and opening, but in a more cool way. So what I want you to do is experiment with your food. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it yang? Is it yin? What's it going to do for my body? Is it making me feel more expansive, or is it contracting the body? So we go into depth more in this in Chi Flow with Jo in September. I'll hope you join me for the month and see me live in my kitchen doing recipes from my kitchen, and join in all the acupressure and the Qigong movements. May you be happy and may you be well. May I be happy, may I be well. May all beings everywhere be happy, safe, and well.